I'm Lisa.
And I'm Anton.
And this is the journey of turning our dream of Celtica into a reality.
Hospitality really meant something to our Celtic ancestors, and over the years that we've been together, we've been told again and again how much people love to come and stay with us.
Guest teachers have come from all over the world. Many a dinner has been cooked, many a tale told, and much love and laughter shared within our home.
In this series, we follow the building of Ty Noddfa Bach, our little sanctuary, and the first step on the path that leads to Celtica.
There's a lot of work to be done, so let's get started.
you can see I'm dressed like Cinderella, so it must mean we're working. And I just wanted to show you a progress report. It's day 12 of barn clean out. Been working really hard. So I'm going to turn you around and show you what came out that we have in piles. You won't believe it, really. This is wood, obviously, and we think most of it we can cut up for either indoor burning or campfire kind of, fire pit wood. Then we've got a wheelbarrow full of brass and copper and aluminum. We found a really neat old barbecue grill, and we're going to try to sandblast it or something because it's really cool. You can turn this to put things overheat or cool, and it's got like a little crank on the side, so it's kind of a neat piece. We got a garbage pile. Now we've made, I don't even know, maybe 10 dump runs. So what we do is we clear out scrap metal, and we take all the scrap metal in this little trailer, and we get money for the scrap metal, and then we take that money to buy dump dollars, and then we take the things that we don't want to the dump. We have made quite a bit of progress. This whole top, if you'll remember, was full of crazy wood and guano poo. That next level up over there was just chock full. That's completely empty. We've gotten some neat old pieces that are part of the barn. This section's completely empty. And I can't quite get to it, but you remember that this was just kind of like over our heads with garbage. So we've got just a few things here, some old crates and boxes, cheese boxes, and different odds and ends of things. My dad's flexible flyer sled from the 20s. Some things we're going to kind of restore and keep. That section under there is almost done. We've got a few things that we're going to keep for Celtica, and again do some minor restoration work, an old milk tin and some galvanized wash tubs and an old flower watering can that I could make some kind of like sprinkler looking thing. Some old crates, some scythes. Here's a neat old scythe, you would swing back and forth with a blade on it, and some old kind of wheels, just like museum-y kind of things. And then what we've done is sort down things that maybe are not things we want to keep, but things that might be a little too good for scrap metal. There's some old blow torches and dies and drills, and I think we found about 16 pitchforks.
Yeah.
So
what business was your family
I think my family's business was killing the people who were trying to pitchfork the witches or something. Who knows?
Is that how they got so many
anyway, we're going to box these up and stick them in our yard sale. And this side that was completely full is, that one's a really cool makeshift one with a steel handle.
Somebody used a pipe. They used a pipe hammered on the end.
I'm too close to you, can't see you, but... All right.
That's
and this side, we're almost in here. So that's our progress report. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 empty pieces, and the 8th one to go. And then we're planning on a huge box sale, yard sale for Labor Day weekend with all the box things, like we've got a bucket of seashells, some antique light bulbs, some weird kitchen things, Bakelite, and an old jelly form, and then we've got just an incredible amount of stuff still, but we'll get there. And that's my little pressure washing station over there. I've got some things to pressure wash, and we'll give you an update again in a little bit. Thanks for hanging in there with Barn Clean Out. part 962.
Stop!